When you've always believed that wealthy people inherit their wealth or have access to powerful connections, it might seem impossible to learn how to build wealth out of nothing. However, the Wealth X report found that 67.7% of the ultra-wealthy in the world, defined as those with $30 million or more in assets, are self-made. A further interesting development is the rapid growth of this class of ultra-rich. 290,720 ultra-wealthy individuals are identified in the 2020 report, which is an increase of almost 10% from the 2019 report. These statistics reveal two things for us. First, you can build wealth from nothing, and second, achieving what was once impossible is becoming more commonplace. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, rather than fantasizing about the wealth you wish you could inherit, let's explore ways you can learn on how to build wealth if you're starting from zero. So hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it and let's get started. Number 1. Become knowledgeable about money. CNBC reports that Americans get a failing grade in personal finance. Added to the financial stress Americans are experiencing, the coronavirus pandemic has caused massive market volatility, job and income losses that have surpassed anything since 2008. In light of this, investing time in your financial education is the first step towards building wealth from nothing. Understand financial terms such as expenses, income, net worth, return on investment, passive income, and financial independence. Making personal finance a passion rather than an assignment should be your goal. There are many ways to improve your financial literacy today, such as watching YouTube videos on money, stocks, and real estate markets, reading articles from reliable sources like CNBC, Forbes, and Business Insider, or you could listen to podcasts on personal finance on the way to work or while cleaning the house. Learning from people who already have a lot of wealth is always a good idea. After that, you should try to incorporate their strategies into yours. It's only a matter of time before you make a lot of financial progress when you keep putting one foot in front of the other. Number 2. Find a regular source of income. Developing wealth from scratch is difficult without a regular source of income. You can't invest money unless you have saved money, and you can't save money without a source of income. The point is that multi-level marketing, Ponzi schemes, and betting do not build sustainable wealth. Do not be influenced by people promoting get-rich-quick schemes that promise to build wealth just by working 3 hours a week. Wealth is built by creating value over time. Building sustainable wealth is impossible if you aren't creating intrinsic value and bringing in income from the goods or services you provide. Therefore, if you don't have a job, find one and keep your job if you already have one. If you are a small business owner, focus on creating long-term value for your business. Self-development expert TRACY said that wealth comes from adding value, which includes creating a business model that is able to produce better, more, cheaper, faster, and easier than anyone else. Number 3. Develop a budget. When you are trying to build wealth from scratch, creating a budget and sticking with it is essential. By using the regular income source we previously discussed, you must now create a budget. To determine how much income and expenditure the household or individual can expect, a budget should be created at least monthly. When you live without a budget, it's like sailing without a compass, and you'll get lost in the sea of financial missteps. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular budgeting technique. By using this technique, you can form a budget where 50% of your income is allocated to essential expenses such as rent, mortgage, food, healthcare, 30% to non-essentials including shopping, vacations, entertainment, and 20% to savings and investments. In case you wonder why budgeting is so important, well, the main reason is that once you understand where you spend your money, you can identify things that can be cut. The less you spend, the more you're able to save. If you identify and cut unnecessary and avoidable costs, you'll have an easier time building wealth. It's as simple as that. Number 4. Enhance your skill set. You can increase your savings and investments in 2 ways, either by lowering your expenses or earning more income. Most financial advisors focus on the former, but the latter deserves attention as well. Upgrade your skill sets by attending professional courses and engaging in continuous professional development. Enhancing both hard and soft skills will enable you to earn promotions or get better job offers from other companies, which will result in higher earnings. You can improve your understanding of the market, invest more in innovation, and provide more value to your customers if you own a small business. This will help you grow your market share and improve your bottom line. Number 5. Explore passive income opportunities. In addition to increasing the income from your job or business, you should be exploring various opportunities to earn passive income. It is crucial for those of us who are trying to build wealth from nothing to have passive income. As the legendary investor and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, famously said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until the end." Taking advantage of today's global and digital economy is an excellent way to earn additional income. As you explore these opportunities, be wary of get-rich-quick schemes and betting sites. Instead, you can try these reliable and proven passive income ideas. Selling digital products. If you have expertise in a particular niche, why not create digital products like books, video tutorials or courses, or paid webinars that talk about the interests of people? Digital products have the advantage of only needing to be created once, except if it has future updates. Nevertheless, you can generate income from a single product for a very long time. Blogging. You can instead demonstrate your idea in a series of regular blog posts rather than through a digital product. When your blog begins generating a large amount of traffic, you can monetize and start making money through subscriptions, advertisements or sponsorships, guest posts, and so on. Affiliate marketing. Instead of selling your own digital products on your blog, you can sell those of other merchants for a commission. Because of how affiliate marketing works, you don't have to design and develop your own products but can still earn money. Dropshipping. Through dropshipping, you sell the products of other merchants without storing those items yourself. Customers place orders with you and you process that order with the producer, who then delivers it to your customer. You can earn from the difference between the retail price, which is what the customer pays, and the purchase price, which is what you pay to the merchant. A multiple source of income probably won't bring in $1 million per year, but when you are no longer dependent on your 9-to-5 job to pay all of your bills, you will feel much more secure financially. By the way, if you want to know more passive income ideas, you could watch our video, Passive Income Top 10 Legit Ways to Make Money Online, which will be linked down in the description box. Number 6. Look into passive investing. Wealth is built through saving and investing. You probably know and admire several millionaires who made their fortunes through prudent and profitable stock market investments. If you don't make your money do the work for you, you'll have to do it yourself. In reality, there are a few opportunities for you to earn money, and you can't earn money while you sleep, as Buffett said. However, investing your money in the market means that you are putting it to work for you and are reaping the rewards of others' labor. So how can you make your money grow into sustainable wealth? First of all, a savings account is not an investment. The only money that should be in a savings account is an emergency fund. Besides that, you should invest in profitable investments that provide good returns with minimal risk. The interest rate on savings accounts is low. In most cases, it is less than 1% APR. Also, the value of your savings may depreciate if the inflation rate exceeds the interest rate on your savings. Second, there is no point in trying to time the market. Peter Lynch, a retired investment manager, stated that more people lose money waiting for corrections than the actual corrections themselves. Instead of becoming obsessed with market movements, it is best to cultivate a long-term perspective when investing. Long-term investors are almost always guaranteed to succeed as the market rises more than it falls. Third, timing the market is not the best way to grow wealth in the long run. Consider passive investing rather than active investing, especially when it comes to your savings. Active versus passive investing is a long-standing debate. Now, there are increasing numbers of investors that realize the advantages of passive investing. In addition, passively managed funds are now outperforming actively traded funds. Compared to active investing, passive investments are cheaper, are less risky, have fewer fees and taxes, are more transparent, and more profitable in the long run. And that is all the time that we have today, folks. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do remember to hit that like button. If you're new around here, welcome to the channel. Consider subscribing, and on your way out, remember to click on that bell icon too, so you can remain updated about all of our future videos. You're welcome here to the channel where you will learn the basics of personal finance in easy to understand language. We'll see you next time.